Hey guys, what is up? This is Bama Girl Amy, and I actually remembered to do a before and after video this time, so yay for me. I'm here today with Random Nation. We got Dragonator of a Fighter over there, and we are at it again. We are in my daughter's room, and we are ripping up the floor, as you can tell. The flooring that was down is pretty bad, so we're just going to rip it all up.
Worse than mine.
There's one little hole over there where we've just gotten started, but we're going to finish ripping up this floor, and then we're going to lay some new floor down on top of it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. This is a before and after.
By the way, if anybody can tell us who that is, I know who it is, but if anybody can tell us who that is, leave it in the comment section. We'll see how much attention you pay.
So you guys have a beautiful day. We'll see you in our next update video. Love you guys. We're out.
Yeah, your mama.
Hey guys, we are back. This is Bama Girl Amy, Random Nation again. And there's Emily from Emily's Adventures. As you guys know, we're working still on the floor. Random over here hammering. I kind of forgot to do a quick update of when we got the floor laid. We've already started on the hardwood floor, guys. But we will be back as soon as we get the hardwood laid, the rest of it, and we'll show you guys what the finished project looks like. Be back soon.
Pretty.
Alright guys, this is the finished project. Please excuse the mess. We just kind of throwed her room all back in here, and we're going through and putting it where everything belongs. But here's the floor. As you guys can tell, very beautiful, and it is done. Hey guys, this is just a little quick one to let you guys know that we have completely finished everything in her room. As you guys can tell, she's got a pretty curtain up, and she's got her new AC, and there she is going to sleep. There's little Ari, always into something. And as you guys can tell where she's sleeping, she is sleeping in the bed with Emily.
Yes.
Look guys, she does have a bed. She just thinks she is little Miss Queen of everything. Ari. Ari, go to bed. Go to bed, Ari. Go to bed. Night, guys. Hope y'all have a beautiful night. Love you guys. Bye.